Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comment, so let's go. Multifunctional tools. Elegant appearance and tough man function flashlights, scissors and pocket knife. Multifunctional pen tool and 1-3 functions, reliable and practical, portable, exquisite and exquisite. Heavy-duty blender. Aliexpress just launched top-of-the-range blender flagship model A8700 with built-to-last quality. It is a perfect choice for enhancing your family healthy food with increased nutritional availability and digestibility. With a high-powered motor, uniquely designed blades, super tough container, and easy-to-use controls, the Aliexpress will quickly replace majority of your current kitchen appliances and become your all-in-one kitchen machine. Car Air Purifier. The car starts automatically after ignition and automatically shuts off when the flame is turned off. It will automatically shut down after 6 hours of work. It can effectively prevent the battery from losing power due to forgetting to shut down and enjoy a new smart experience. Car Air Purifier with HEPA filter, high-efficiency carbon filter. Start and stop with the car intelligent power off protection. Low decibel operation purification doesn't disturb. Outdoor Wi-Fi camera. The camera will horizontal automatically track the body when somebody moves. When someone breaks into shooting area, camera will detect movement and push photo notification on your mobile phone. Built in 10 pieces infrared and white dual leg, the camera night vision have 3 mode, auto mode, IR mode, color mode. Horizontal rotation 270 degree, vertical rotation 90 degree can control the rotation angle through 2 app. Electronic translation machine. Based on photo resources, Yaodeo Super Dictionary can automatically recognize texts on images with Yaodeo Neural Machine Translation technology. The textual materials can be translated into paragraphs. The translation supports bilingual reading mode as well as specific word search. .360 lens for iPhone. Full-scale photo with a front and rear dual lens 180-degree design. The true 360-degree panorama takes a picture of your life. Anodized aluminum casing and environmentally friendly ABS material, excellent texture, simple and stylish appearance. Big screen smartwatch. 2.88 inches high-definition screen, 480 by 640 pixels resolution, touch-sensitive high-definition, comfortable large screen experience, smooth, portable and detachable dual-purpose easy-to-wear watch strap with fast disassemble watch head. Disassemble can play games and watch movies. Support for a variety of networking communications. You can social calls and video chat at any time. Built-in G-sensor, heart rate sensor provides you with multiple movement data. Robot Bluetooth speaker. Small body, loud volume. The sound quality is full and delicate, immersed in the 360-degree shocking sound effect. Take a selfie without asking anyone, just take it with one click. The music on your fingertips, the ability to talk through your speakers, frees your hands to do things you should do better, and gives you unlimited possibilities in your limited space. Luxury and watch. Fashion hollow design. Japanese quartz movement and battery ensure accurate timing and long service time. Stainless steel case. Silicone band with buckle clasp, easy to wear and adjust the length as per the wrist size. Hardlex crystal window. Scratch resistant. Baseball bat flashlight. High-strength aluminum alloy, anti-fall, anti-pressure, anti-beating. The IPX6 is waterproof and can be used on rainy days. Auto Smart Shooting. Built-in Kiming's innovative smart tracking algorithm, real-time target tracking shooting function, chase the displacement of objects and automatically capture interesting pictures. The camera interface locks on the target, and the PTZ follows the target to complete a variety of scenes shooting. The combination of deep learning and computer vision algorithms makes the follow to be smoother. After switching to the face tracking mode, it can automatically recognize your face. Wherever you go, it will follow, allowing you to appear in the C position every second. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.